Mituki ya maafitha borithi ya kuhitana na gikundi gikirire mukana gia confirm kaunti-ini ya Naikuru ironekana kugea na umithio oro ikereka kuria hwayo wa gukia umuthi maafitha borithi maikirie ngono mwikuirwo munene wa wendia wa ndawa cia kurebia na uria urerikana ni umwe wa ajiriria a gikundi giki.
Very good job.
Akiaria nje ya wabici yake kamanda wa borithi Naikuru Peter Mwanzo augite mwikuirwo uyu Dickson Macharia Waithera alias Diko ne wakuma nyumba irerikana ndugiru ya wendia wa ndawa cia kurebia na oire matamu mathogore no na utongoria wa gikundi giki thutha wa gikuo kia muru wa nyina.
Organization I am made to understand was begun by a guy called Biggie. Biggie is the one who coordinated most of these activities, and thereafter when the proceeds now started going down, that's where they started now criminal activities. There is a family within Kivumbini which is christened as the royal family, and the royal family is simply because the family seems to be untouchable for whatever reason. That is what we are trying to investigate and establish.
Kuringana na Mwanzo mwikuirwo uyu ni umwe gatagati ka ekuirwo eri anene aria makoretwo magitongoria thuguri ya ndawa cia kurebia gutongoria gikundi gia confirm ari hamwe na kwandikithia amemba eru gikundi-ini giki.
These included recruitment of inmates who are coming from Kameme maximum prison, very dangerous. And they had made Naikuru, Kivumbini area as their hub, and that's where they used to hide.
Na thutha wa kurugamite gukihiria maafitha borithi riu mwikuirwo uyu ni arikitie guikio ngono kuria na hamwe mbeca baribari thimu kompyuta bangi ya mwigana wa ciringi 300,000 irahithukirio mucini kwa mwikuirwo uyu.
These are the things that we arrested him with: drugs, we have opiums here, we have laptops, we have the phones that are normally used for the confirm business, and also the packing material for the cannabis sativa.
Riri mwikuirwo uyu atanyitwo gukinyo igoti-ini Mwanzo ni eranire wirutiri wa maafitha borithi hari guhukia ikundi cia wikinai Naikuru.
There is also another group which is called Watizedi, still from Kivumbini. They are at conflict with one another. They are at rivalry with one another. They are the ones which have been causing sleeplessness to innocent population of Naikuru.
Guikio ngono kwa mwikuirwo uyu gukite thiku nyinyi thutha wa maafitha borithi kuhithukia muto wa mwiritu uragirwo ciumia 3 hituku ni gikundi kia wikinai kia nyuki mwena wa Baruti gicigo mbunge kia Naikuru ya ithwiro, gikundi kiria ni mwahu wa gikundi kia wikinai gia confirm. Giribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Naikuru, ritwa riakwa ni wa ng'ombe wa Maina.